The COH bond angle in alcohol is, they given 4 options. One is slightly greater than 109 degree, slightly less than 109 degree, greater than 120, less than 120. Now we need to find out which one is correct. First of all, where from this angle came? So we all know that if any molecule is tetrahedral in shape, the bond angle will be 109 degree 28 minutes. If it is trigonal in shape, the bond angle will be 120 degree. So now we need to find out from this, see in alcohol, what shape alcohol will form, whether they form trigonal or tetrahedral. Only then we can guess what could be the bond angle. So in alcohol, we know both carbon and oxygen undergoes sp3 hybridization. So carbon sp3 hybridization, oxygen also sp3 hybridization. So if anything goes sp3 hybridization, so here oxygen is a central atom here, therefore we need to consider this. So the oxygen undergoes sp3 hybridization, therefore the shape is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. Therefore the expected angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. See, now we have understood COH bond forms tetrahedral in shape. So therefore the bond angle is around 109 degree 28 minutes. But here they are given two options, slightly greater one and slightly less than 109 degree. Now we need to find out the reason how it could be. So let us take the oxygen. See, oxygen involved in the sp3 hybridization, therefore 4 bonds are involved here. So one is bonded with another carbon this side, the another one is bonded with hydrogen this side. Okay, then there are 2 lone pair of electron which is not involved in the bond formation. So here the 2 electrons are involved in the bond formation. So therefore this electron pairs are called bond pairs. This is bond pair, where these 2 electrons are involved in the bond, and this is also bond pair. Whereas these 2 electron pairs are not involved in any bond, therefore they are called lone pairs. Lone pair of electrons. So this is also lone pair of electrons. So we expect every angle to be 109 degree 28 minutes because it is tetrahedral in shape. But it is not actually so. Why? Because all the bonded electrons are not of same category. So 2 are lone pair and 2 are bond pair. So since they are all electrons, there will be repulsion among these 4 electron pairs. But the order of repulsion you should know. What is the order of repulsion? Where the repulsion will be greater. So the lone pair of electrons will be having greater repulsion. Why? Because they can move freely. They are not involved in any bond formation. Therefore, there will be more repulsion, and they are also electrically of same charge, negatively charged. Therefore, they repel each other. Since they are free to move, the repulsion will be more. Therefore, the repulsion between lone pair and lone pair will be greater than. So here you take these two, this is lone pair and this is bond pair. Therefore, here the repulsion will be there, but it will be less than the repulsion between lone pair and lone pair. Because here one is bonded, the other one is lone pair. Therefore, there also will be repulsion, but this will be less than the repulsion between lone pair and lone pair. Therefore, repulsion between lone pair and lone pair will be greater than the repulsion between a bond pair and lone pair. And you take this one ROH. OR is a bonded pair and OH is also bonded pair. Here also there will be repulsion between bonded pair and bonded pair, but this will be less than the repulsion between bond pair and lone pair, which will be less than the repulsion between lone pair and lone pair. Therefore, which will be having least repulsion between bond pair and bond pair. So in alcohol, ROH is involved in the bond pairs, between bond pairs. Therefore, here the repulsion will be less, whereas here the repulsion will be more between the two unpaired lone pair of electrons than this. And here the repulsion will be less. Therefore, the angle is reduced from 109 degree 28 minutes to 108 degree 09 minutes. Therefore, here option B is the correct one. So option B is the correct. What is the option B here? Option B is slightly less than 109 degree 28 minutes. That is actual angle is 108 degree 09 minutes. Hope you understood and it is clear.